replace the stock indicators. So at the moment we have those halogen yellow bulbs, which we're going to replace with the LED bulbs. Now over here are the two access points. So here are the two access points for the screws that you need to undo to be able to remove the indicator. That is actually the whole tail light that it needs to come off. So from over here you unscrew the two screws and then you pull the tail light. It does take some force to be able to take it out, so I've already done the other one, but I'm gonna show you how you can do this one. The best thing is to use a flathead screwdriver and put it under here. There is a small opening, so you put it here and that comes off. You put it here and that comes off as well. And there is a massive amount of dirt that had collected over here over time, so be careful. What I'm gonna warn you is that you have to be careful not to pull it too hard, as there is some wirings obviously going into the LED lights here for the stop light and some wiring going into the indicator. So you still need to apply some force, but be careful not to pull it too far out. To remove those two screws that we now have access to, you're gonna need a 10mm socket. So that's what I'm gonna be using at the moment. So the 10mm socket goes right into those screws and it's very easy to unscrew. It does require some force to pull the tail light out, as you have those pins over here that goes into those holes, and yeah, it's not very easy and it is quite dirty. So at least I'm gonna have the chance now to clean it up a little bit. So this is how you remove the bulb. So you hold it, you twist, and then the bulb you just pull and it comes out. So this is what the bulb looks like. You just pull it out, it comes easily out, and then you put your LED bulb. Now at the moment, the bulb that I will be using, it looks like this. So this is the bulb that we are going to use as a replacement. So I think it is polarity protected, so we need to make sure you put it in the correct way, otherwise it's not going to work. So what I would suggest is put it in, and before you put the tail light back, make sure it works, because I'm doing all that by myself and I have to also film. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use the remote control. So I'm going to lock the car, unlock, and it looks like it's working. And now we need to make sure everything is aligned, and then we're gonna just push the tail light back in. So let's see here, make sure you're not gonna break any of those small pins, the white pins in which you're gonna have to put the bolts later. And then you apply firm pressure. Okay, we heard. Okay, all right, that looks to me. After you've put the bolts back in, don't forget to put the protecting covers. So the protecting covers are gonna go back to their places, over here, and the other one here, and here it is. It's all assembled back. It takes exactly, what, 3 minutes to change each bulb. Now the other thing that I'm going to recommend is keep your stock bulbs, just keep them with you, just in case you get a failure or one of the LED bulbs it burns, so you can use these ones. Okay, well, that was with the LEDs, and when it gets darker I'm gonna show you how it looks in the dark.